Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morningship. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 2 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 2. My dear student, our today's topic name exercise 4. From exercise 4, we shall solve question number 4 and 5 as your CW. From 4 we shall solve 1, 4 and 6 as your CW, and my dear student 3 and 4 will be your SW. But all the question of 4 are not your SW only 2, 3 and 5. Okay my dear student, let us start our class. I have written question number 4 on the board. Okay, so the question is find the value of x that makes the following mathematical sentence true. My dear student, there are 3 problems. They are x plus 9 equal to 15, 4, x divided by 8 equal to 7, x minus 4 divided by 6 equal to 6. Okay, we need to find out the value of x. My dear student, these sentences are what type of sentence? Open sentence or closed sentence? X plus 9 equal to 15. So here x, we don't know what is the value of x. After solving we get the value of x. So this type of sentence is called open sentence. This is open sentence, this is also open sentence. From these 3 sentences we need to find out the x of value of x. Okay, when we put the value in each sentences, then we get that sentence will be true. So now we find out the value of x from each sentences. Number 1, x plus 9 equal to 15. My dear student, we need the value of x only. So in left hand side there is only x. Okay, if there are others number, then it changes its position. Okay, x plus 9. Here 9 is here with the 9 is attached with x by addition, so it changes its position. When a number change its position, then if the number plus, then that will be minus, if minus, then that will be plus, if multiply, then that will be division, if division, then that will be multiplication. So here equal sign and there is a cap in front of the equal sign, and this is called word sign. My dear student, when you solve such type of solution, you must give word sign. Okay, now we need the value of x only. So 9 changed its position, that means it go to the right hand side. Okay, so 15 right and changes its position, that means it will be plus and it will be minus, plus will be minus, and 9. My dear student, in next line we can find out our answer. So here we write therefore x equal to, now we subtract 9 from 15 and we get 6. So 6 is the required answer of this questions. Okay, now if we put 6 in this equation, then 6 plus 9 it will be 15. So left hand side 15, right hand side 15. For by putting x equal to 6, the sentence will be true, right? So the value is x equal to 6. So 1 done. Next we shall solve question number 4. 4 question is x divided by 8 equal to 7. We need the value of x only. So divide 8 is changed its position. So when it changes its position, that means it go to the right hand side and it will be multiplication. Okay, so here we write of word sign and x is here, this equal sign, this 7 is written here, and this division sign will be multiply sign and it will be 8. So now therefore x equal to 7 8s are 56, and this 56 is the answer of this question. So write 56. Next our last question, 6 number question. 6 number question is x minus 4 divided by 6 equal to 6. My dear student, please notice x minus 4, this is in a bracket, divided by c, that means this x minus 4 is divided by 6. So we keep it x minus 4 here, and this division will be multiplication when we transfer its position, that means 6. Okay, then x minus 4 equal to 6 6 are 36. Now we need the value of x only. So minus 4 change its position and it will be plus. Okay, now x equal to 36 plus 4, it will be 40. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is solution of question number 4, and rest of the question of this question number 4, that means 2, 3, 5 will be your SW. Next question number 5, my dear student, please read the question first. The price of X packets of biscuits with 1 bottle of drink was Y taka. That means the total price of X packet biscuit and 1 bottle of drink was Y taka. Okay. A packet of biscuit cost 18 taka. That means the price of 1 packet biscuit is 18 taka. And a bottle of drink is 12 taka. So my dear student, by using this information, we shall solve question number A, B and C. So A number question is write a mathematical sentence to show the relationship between X and Y. So how can, dear student, please notice. First sentence is the total price of X packet biscuit and 1 bottle drink, which is Y taka. And second sentence is the price of 1 packet biscuit is 18 taka. So by using this information, that means the price of 1 packet biscuit is 18 taka, we need to find out the price of X packet biscuit. So we multiply 18 with X and we get 18X, and 18X is the price of X packet biscuit, and that X packet biscuit price is added with 1 bottle of drink price, that means 12 taka. That means 18X plus 12 equal to this Y, and that is the mathematical sentence. Now we do this. Okay, A number question. First of all, we find out the price of X packet biscuits. So in order to finding out the price of X packet biscuits, at first we write the price of 1 packet biscuit is the price of 1 packet biscuits is 18 taka. Therefore, the price of X packets biscuit is 18 multiplied by X taka. Now my dear student, we multiply these two number, 18 multiply X, then 18X taka. And the price of 1 bottle of drink is also given, which is 12 taka, right? The price of 1 bottle of drink is 12 taka. Now we write the mathematical sentence. Which is 18x plus 12 equal to this Y taka. So we write here Y, and this is the answer. That means this is the mathematical sentence. Okay. B number question. By using this mathematical sentence, we shall solve question number B and C. Here you notice we need to find out the value of Y when X is 10. That means X is given, which is 10. By using that value, that means X equal to 10, we find out the value of Y. Okay. So B number question. In order to solve B number question, we need the value, we need the mathematical sentence, right? From A we get 18x plus 12 equal to Y. So here you write when x equal to 10, then when x equal to 10, that means in this equation we need to put the value of x equal to 10. After solving, then we get the value of Y. So now write 18 multiplied by 10 plus 12 equal to Y. My dear student, please notice we need the value of y only, but y is in right hand side. For this reason we change the whole side. When we change whole side, then sign will not be changed. Okay. Now write here y equal to this 18 multiplied by 10 plus 12. Okay. After that we write y equal to, at first we multiply this 18 with 10 and we get 18 tens are 180. After that we write this plus 12. Now here we write therefore sign, cos in this line we get our required answer. That means 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 8, it will be 9 and 1. So 192 is the answer of this question. So here we write answer 192. I hope you have understood question number B. Next we shall solve question number C. This is similar as question number B. Here find the value of x when y is 120. My dear student, in this section we solve this math, then it will be more clear to you. So first of all write from A we get okay, from A we get the mathematical sentence is 18x plus 12 equal to y. In this case the value of y is given, which is y equal to 120. So when y equal to 120, then okay, 18x plus 12 equal to 120. Okay, my dear student. Now 18x equal to, we need the value of x only. So at first we write, we keep 18x in left hand side and 12 changes its position. That means it go to the right hand side. That means it will be 120 and this plus sign will be minus sign, minus 12. Okay. Now 18x equal to, subtract 2 to 10 and it will be 8 carrying 1, and that one is added with this one, it will be 2. 2 minus 2, it will be 0, and this one is placed here. Now 108 and left hand side 18x. We need the value of x only. So 18 changes its position, but 18 is attached with x by multiplication. So when it changes its position, it will be division. That means x equal to 108 divided by 18. So now we divide this. Now we divide this 108 by 18 and we get please notice 6. That means x equal to 6. I hope you have understood. Okay, my dear student, this is the answer of these questions. I hope you have understood, and this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parent, and you must submit your essay in SW copy. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.